Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the GPU and drivers so rendering will be reliable. First, check your GPU model and available VRAM. Blender benefits from more VRAM for large scenes. Next, install the latest manufacturer drivers, NVIDIA Game Ready or AMD Adrenalin, because they optimize performance and fix bugs. Once done, update Blender to a version that supports your GPU backend. Make sure to reboot if drivers require it, and verify CUDA, OptiX, or HIP options appear in Blender preferences. Now configure Blender to use the GPU for actual rendering. Open Edit, Preferences, then System and select the correct backend, CUDA for older NVIDIA, OptiX for RTX, or HIP for AMD. Enable your GPU device and consider turning on persistent data to reduce rebuilds between frames. In Render Properties, pick Cycles as the renderer, set GPU Compute as the device, choose a realistic sample count, and enable denoising for cleaner results. This reduces render times and keeps memory use predictable. Finish by optimizing settings and handling common failures so you complete projects faster. Adjust tile sizes. Larger tiles like 256 x 256 often speed GPU renders. Use smaller tiles for CPU. Enable adaptive sampling, reduce texture resolution, or use proxies to lower VRAM use, and turn on out-of-core if your driver supports it to spill to system memory. If Blender crashes or shows CUDA/HIP errors, update drivers, lower scene complexity, or fall back to CPU rendering until you isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.